Hello and welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered if you could buy cryptocurrencies as an index fund rather than buying individual cryptos? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you could do that. So there's a couple of ways of doing that. There's a couple of different platforms. The one that I generally use is one called Bitpanda. They call the crypto index funds as crypto indices. The other platform that you could potentially use is eToro. They call these funds as crypto collections. And the thing with eToro is that they generally have a wide range of crypto funds. So they've got, for example, a gaming collection. They've got one which is just the Bitcoin and Ethereum. They've got potentially the first top 10 cryptos by market cap. They've got similar sort of crypto index funds with Bitpanda, and we'll be exploring that a bit more in this particular video. And the reason why we'll be exploring that in more detail is because I've personally invested in crypto index funds. It's in a platform called Bitpanda. Bitpanda is an Austrian-based platform. It's regulated. I've done my due diligence in Bitpanda and I feel as though they're trustworthy, hence why I've decided to invest with them. I've got quite a few crypto index funds with them, and that's one of the reasons why I've decided to invest with them. I've also got some commodities with them as well, in terms of precious metals and various other bits and pieces. But in this particular video, I'll be exploring the crypto index funds. So let's dive straight into it. So as soon as you dive into the homepage of Bitpanda, what you would need to do is go onto the Discover tab. Once you've clicked on that particular tab, you'll have a couple of functions here. So you've got all assets, crypto leverage, crypto indices, stocks, ETFs, commodities, and metals. The one which we'll be looking at are the crypto indices. So if you click on that particular tab, you've got a wide range of indices here. So you've got your BC10, that's your top 10 sort of cryptos, your BC25, top 25 cryptos, then you got your BC5, which is your top 5 cryptos. That's what I've invested in myself. And then you've got various other sort of cryptos. We'll have a look in BC5 and see what the value of that is. With these particular cryptos, what you have to bear in mind, it's a bit like the index funds, the general sort of ETF index funds, where your value generally goes up over time. It's not a 10, what they call a 10 bagger, where it'll just do a 10x within a couple of months. So as you could see here, it was on a fairly low sort of value. During the bear markets, it has gone up quite a lot, and then during the bear markets, it's come back down again. So it's one of those where it generally tracks the market. Most of the money is generally in Bitcoin and Ethereum and the other sort of top 3 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Now it generally rebalances itself. I usually get an email once every couple of months to confirm that it's done a rebalance. I know when Ripple were going through their sort of court case, it didn't have that within the fund, so it removed Ripple and it replaced it with something else. I can't remember, it might have been Binance from off the top of my head, but yeah, it generally has the top 5 cryptos by market cap, and then it rebalances it according to what it feels it should be. It's generally done well. My sort of crypto funds haven't done that bad, although the individual cryptos have done bad in terms of what I've invested in. These particular funds haven't taken that much of a battering. It's probably come down by about 10-15%, which isn't too bad in the long sort of scheme of things. If you think about it, it's generally like a bit like the stock market, where it fluctuates up and down. The ones which really do my head in are the ones which drop by at least 50-60% in such a short period of time. I think that is very difficult to digest, those two sort of losses, but with these it's not too bad. It's a bit like investing in a normal sort of stocks and shares index fund as opposed to a crypto index fund. So I hope you found that useful. As I mentioned, I'll be continuing to invest in the crypto index funds. It saves me from researching into cryptos because I really do not have the time anymore. That's why I stopped investing in individual stocks. I only invest in ETFs now. I use various platforms like Invest Engine. Put the bulk of my money in Vanguard, and I will be looking to build that out. But I will be also looking to invest in the crypto index funds. I'll be exploring the eToro collections as well, so I'll probably do a video on that a bit later on. I've not invested in one of those as of yet. I'm still researching them, but yeah, if you found that useful, then drop a like and comment below regarding if you've got any questions, or if there's any other videos you'd like to see. I'd love to hear from you. So thank you very much.